So in today's video, we are going to learn how to complete and submit the ALX Professional Foundations Week 1 milestone. So the first thing you will need to do is to log into Savannah. And once you are logged in, you move to Project, you click on it, and you scroll down to Week 1 milestone. Then you just follow along. So we can read the week 1 milestone submission instructions. So the first step is to open and complete this Google Forms questionnaire. Make sure you follow the instructions on the form and answer all the provided questions. This will help us get to know you better. So you click on the hyperlink Google Forms questionnaire. Then I had already started filling the form, so we can fill it out together. So the first entry is your email, your full name. Then in 2 to 3 sentences, tell us why you want to complete the professional foundations course. And my response is to build more than just a tech skill. And in 2 to 3 sentences, describe the global challenge that resonated with you the most and tell us why. So we have a lot of global challenges: urbanization, education, healthcare, infrastructure, youth unemployment, governance, and climate change. So what resonated with me was healthcare, and that was what I chose. In 2 to 3 sentences, describe the global opportunity that resonated with you the most and tell us why. And mine was agriculture, the reason being that there has been an increase in awareness on the effect of the food we eat on our health, and a lot of people have become health conscious. So this opens an investment opportunity for the youth to engage in agricultural businesses that's producing healthy foods to meet specific individuals who are health conscious. So the next question is: the daily three are not practices exclusively for tech professionals, but they have all been proven to improve professional productivity, focus, mood, and decision making. Which daily three activity, that is movement, morning pages, or mindfulness, will be the most beneficial to you and why? So mine is movement, because personally I lift weights and I run. So, and the next question 6: how excited are you to start building a habit of practicing at least one of the daily three? That's up to you to choose option 1 to 5. So if you choose option 1, that means you are not excited to practice. If you choose option 5, you are excited to practice. And the question 7 says: of the 8 meta skills we teach at ALX, which are you most excited about further developing? So the first skill I chose was my tech skill. So the second skill I am most excited about further developing is my communicating for impact, my communication skills. And the final skill is entrepreneurial thinking. So the question 8: how becoming proficient with Google Workspace is a becoming proficient with Google Workspace is a required part of this course. The next several questions will ask you to evaluate your skills in 5 key Google Workspace apps. So how proficient are you in using JMO? If you don't know how to use it, you choose 1. If you know how to use it very well, you choose 5, and anywhere in between. So 5 for Gmail, 5 for Google Drive, 5 for Google Docs, 3 for Google Sheets. Let me make it 4. Google Slides 4. Overall, how much did you enjoy completing the week 1 material in Savannah? I love it. And which day are you most likely to visit your city hub? You can select up to 3 days. So for this section, my city hub is far from me at the moment, so I don't plan on going there anytime soon. But if I'm to go there, yeah, Saturdays is fine. Let's jump to question 17. Which platform or areas are you now fully set up? Tick order, apply. So eHub, Savannah, Gmail. How psyched are you for the ALX Professional Foundations course? How psyched are you for what the ALX Professional Foundation course has to offer? So yeah, how psyched or how happy are you? So that I would like to keep a copy of my response. So yeah, so when you are done with this, you don't submit yet. You go back to the instructions. So instruction 2 says submit the questionnaire using the blue submit button at the bottom of the form. So submit. Yes. So option 3, sorry, step 3, the submission confirmation page will load after you have submitted it. The page will look something like this. So as you can see, we are on track. The page looks something like that. So you need to take, option 4 says you should take a screenshot of your submission confirmation page. Make sure the screenshot is clear, easy to read, and does not cut any text out. Convert the screenshot into a PDF file. You could paste it into a Google Doc and print or export as a PDF, or you can use the free tool I love PDF. So we'll be doing the first option. So to take a screenshot, if you're using a laptop, a Windows laptop, it's Windows key plus Shift plus R. This has paused my video. Then you click here. Then so yes, the snapshot has been taken. Oh yeah. Another way to do that is to just press the Windows key and search for the sniping tool. Then you click on the camera, new, and then you just drag the mouse. So once you are done, you could save it on your desktop. I created a folder on my desktop and I named it ALX Data Science. So yep. So submission and save. So this has been saved on my desktop. So back to, so we are supposed to convert the screenshot into a PDF file. So opening a new browser, Google Drive, new, insert image, upload from computer, desktop. Yep. So the file name is, so we've been able to upload the picture onto the screenshots to our Google document. The next step is to rename the PDF to milestone underscore name underscore. So let me just copy this paste it here. So milestone one, name Gabriel. So the format is the milestone title, your name, and the date. So today's date is 4th July 2025. Then file, download, then PDF document. So this will be in your downloads folder. Yep. So rename the PDF to milestone one. The date is the day you submit the form, and the format is blah blah blah. So in the submission box, click attach a file and upload your PDF. You do not need to write any words in the box. Once the file has been uploaded, you can hit save and submit. So let's do that. So to submit the final part, you click choose file. So my file was saved in my downloads folder.